Namaste, my name is Vidya Shashank Akhave. I attended block printing masterclass of Qyaari by Penkraft. Started from 12th September and today 25th September is the last day. We learned block printing initially on paper. These are the designs we made. Then gradually we learned on fabric. This is apron made by me. These are cushion covers. All fabric are cotton. These are pillow covers. Then we learned block printing on dining table cover. This is Chanderi silk sari. This is top, dupatta and salwar. Apart from printing, we learn how to make binder. The basic knowledge we got, how to make colors, what are the designs we can make, and on which material, which color we have to use. That all knowledge we got. My overall experience was so good, and I highly recommend this course. If anyone is interested, you should really learn from Penkraft only. The staff and the owner, everyone is very helpful. And thank you very much, Penkraft.